Alrighty. Hello everyone and welcome to my reaction to My Hero Academia OVA Search and Rescue. I've heard that this OVA occurs immediately after the USJ attack happens and they kind of get another shot at rescuing people. Let's get started watching this wonderful OVA before we commence with season 2. Let's go.
学校側の運営責任を問われかねない事態を招いたことに遺憾であると言わざるを得ません。遊泳高校ヒーロー科1年 A 組担任相沢翔太。
I like the fact that they didn't brush it under the rug. They could have easily done that and told the kids not to reveal this back home. Also, I wonder how many kids are going to have PTSD trauma after coming back to that spot because of this particular incident. It would be fun to see. It would be more realistic as well because at the end of the day, they are kids. So it would be very realistic to see that. 13 didn't seem to have too much of a problem. He was like, that happened, but class is class, let's get on with it.
前回は13号先生と相沢先生と、あと、オールマイトが見てくれるはずでしたけど、オールマイトは。
知らん。ほっとけあんな男。
If I was a student there, even if I had fought the villains, I would actively be PTSDing right now. What do you mean All Might is supposed to be here, but he's again absent? I mean, internally I would be going, ooh, trouble in paradise. But also externally I would be like, holy shit, what is happening?
1名は頭を激しく打ちつけ意識不明。もう2名は足を骨折し。
Bakugo immediately going, I can help break Deku's leg. Do you want me to do that? I can do it. Can we do it? Please, can we do it? I would want to do it. I volunteer. You don't even have to look too far. Let's make the acting realistic right now. Midoriya definitely has trauma flashbacks though, but not about what happened in here. He has trauma flashbacks from Kachan because he's like, oh, if someone's this close to me in my personal space, I am about to get beaten up. That is my reality. That has been my reality for the past how many ever years. Are you sure you're not gonna beat me up? You're just excited? Okay, can you do it from 5 kilometers away from me? Why are you in my space? Oh my god.
それじゃあまず救助要請で駆けつけたと想定し、この4名だ。
Bakugo carrying Deku and dropping him from a height and going, oops, I guess he broke his other leg too right now. I am so sorry, sir. Please don't be worried. Please don't cry out. Stay quiet. If you cry out right now, I will break your arms as well. I will break them till you understand the concept of pain. I know you've been breaking them consistently, but let me do it for you. Yeah? Let me beat you up.
俺はこんな訓練で揉めるほど暇じゃねえんだよ。うららかくん、もう大丈夫だ。助かるぞ。俺たちみんな助かるんだ。俺は常に2人だ。
I'm excited to see his quirk finally in action because I've been so curious about it, but we've only been getting glimpses of it, so this is really cool.
すごい個性だね、ダークシャドウ。
奴の進化はこのような雑務ではなく、行使の範囲と機微にある。
いやー、これが進化だと思うな。どこでも助けられる。超かっこいいし。
I genuinely wonder how many kids in this class are going to end up with a crush on Midoriya by the end of the 3 years, right? He just hypes people up consistently. Even if I'm not attracted to him, I'd be like, oh, my man, I will take care of him, I'll protect him. I mean, he doesn't need protection, but I'll protect him. God.
適材適所。最近のプロはそれができない人が多いんです。自分がばかりで、かえって状況を悪くしてしまう例も多発しています。では、1回目の4人組は、こちら。
なんでつくづくテクトやんなきゃなんねんだよ。
You know what vibe this gives? This gives the vibe that the teachers are actively shipping Deku and Bakugo, but they don't want to be really open about it, so they keep pairing them up for every single activity they can. They're in one way, shape or form, they are going to be together in the same space. We are going to ensure that their wedding happens and we are called for it. And we get special, shout out at the end of it all hey, thanks man, if you wouldn't have done that, we wouldn't have gotten as close as we are. Irrespective of the fact that they're childhood friends, turn to enemies, turn to potential lovers. I am holding on to that fact it is my birthright. But yeah, gives teachers setting up students because they ship them together kind of a vibe. Todoroki sitting there I sit alone in this fortress made of solitude. Loneliness consumes me. No one can find me. Because I'm asked not to speak, but no one can find me. No one recognizes my true self. But I'm all alone here. All by myself.
ショート。こんなところで這いつくばってはならぬ。お前は、俺の最高傑作なのだから。
I know I wanted PTSD, but that was too hard, man. Also, is he one of the guys that they show earlier? Midoriya is talking about them, about who are some of the best heroes to graduate out of UA High. Alongside All Might, there was this great jeans guy, whatever. But then there was also this kid there, right? Like the Flameo on kind of a person. I don't remember his name, but his beard and mustache looked very familiar. Is that dude? Also, why? I mean, I get it, but don't push kids. He's a kid, man. Why were you pushing him that hard? Ugh. I know I wanted PTSD, but specific to that particular incident, not past. Oh, my poor baby boy. If that's not a PTSD memory, oh my god, what is wrong with the security at UA High? Why didn't you guys do a proper sweep? Why are there villains always at USJ? That's crazy.
なるほど。オイラの超くっつく玉を使うのか。瓦礫をつければ、簡単はしごの完成。ヒーローの個性活用法を考えるのが昔から好きなんだ。
If he ever gets around to teaching kids at a later point in his life after this whole thing comes to an end, he would be such a great mentor to so many young kids. Like he could tell them how to actively use their power for good, what are some of the shortcomings. If people can't come up with fun scenarios to use their powers, he could be the one who strategizes for them. Oh, that's so smart. I would love to see that happen. Ooh. Either that kid is a genuine villain, or I think Aizawa was talking about how, you can never be sure about what to expect. Sometimes people are hiding. There are unexpected scenarios coming up all the time. So it could be them testing the heroes, but also at the same time, seems kind of unlikely. Once again, if it is the second scenario, I would kind of be a tad bit pissed off, mostly because of the fact that these kids have actively just come out of a really bad scenario. I know it's been a month. I know they've had time to process it, but don't just jump things in front of them. Don't surprise them with tactics like these. Slow it down and take it one step at a time. But on the other hand, I get it. They only have 3 years to train them. Understandable. But still, slowly get them into it as opposed to them going, this is a villain. It was a part of the test. You're training right now. Because these kids probably have PTSD from the incident where they were attacked. They won't be able to hold themselves back. And if that is just a hero play acting as a villain, they are going to end up hurting him. Good as surprises, but maybe if it is a surprise, let them know before they commit murder. Also, this is such a bad reflection on the UA High School, especially after Aizawa sent an announcement to the parents of the kids from class 1A that, hey, just as an FYI, won't happen again. We want you to trust us with your kids' education. This is going to reflect so badly on that, on UA High, as well as on Aizawa Senpai. Oh my god.
ヴィランの残党が
なんてこった。俺たちはまだ怪我で戦える体じゃない。
では
That whole response was so lackluster. I was immediately like, All Might. Okay, never mind. The way Aizawa was so dismissive also with the fact that, oh, was he supposed to be here? Oh, that sucks. I don't know what he's doing. I don't want to know about it. I hate him, blah, blah, blah.
バカかよ。なんで力量の差を考えねえんだ。どう見ても格が違えってわかんだろ。
This is hilarious, okay, but what if in future fights as well, Midoriya never stops Bakugo from going out there and attacking whoever they are fighting just so that he can sit there and be like, oh, I feel like that's his weak point. That's his weak point. Yeah, Bakugo, go fight him. Actually, you know what, Bakugo, don't fight him. Come back, stay inside, stay safe. Let me protect you. Bakugo gets pissed off, fights more, and Midoriya is just sitting there like, oh, maybe we can attack there and there and there. Okay, so everyone, this is what I'm gonna need you to do. Momo, do this. Ida, do this. Just actively formulating plans and strategies while Bakugo is out there fighting the villain and Midoriya is essentially rage baiting him. That would be so clever. I need to see this at least once. But also, if it is All Might, I'm pretty sure Midoriya already figured that out. If it is All Might, Tenya is going to be like, oh my god, you need to teach me how to act better. I know I'm awesome at role-playing in scenarios like these, but that was role-playing on a whole another level. Teach me, sensei.
1年 A 組20人。
一応全員
中さん、せいちゃん、僕に考えがある。
Do you feel the urge to worship me yet? Because if you don't, you gotta. So smart. I'm awesome. If you like this, go on my Patreon and support me there. You know, become a patron of mine. Give me money for the awesome ideas I have. Also, if you're stuck at any point in your story, call me. He'll tell you fun ideas to get out of whatever plot holes you've got yourself stuck in. But also, yeah, go on my Patreon. Only access to amazing content like this and bonus content as well, like my reaction to Mystery of Arrows, The Dragon Prince, and more stuff coming on there. Subscribe to my Patreon and let's continue watching. Oh my god, that was such a fun place to plug in.
まだまだこっからや。
今だ。
行くよおっといった冬ちゃんと呼んで
幕末のタイミングで
俺がぶっ殺すんだよ。計画通りだ、緑谷君。
よかった。僕の作戦を瞬時に理解し、最大級の爆発でヴィランを吹き飛ばした。やっぱり君はすごい人だ。
動けん。私が来てた。
オールマイト。
The thing is, he's now stuck to that boulder, so all of them can just go around him and go, shame, shame, shame. That would be perfect. I would love to see that. Oh my god.
俺は反対です。A 組は4日前にヴィランの襲撃を受けたばかりですよ。承諾しかねますね。下手すればトラウマになりかねない。
It feels like they have one brain cell between them and that one brain cell belongs to Aizawa completely.
緑谷少年。
緑谷少年じゃねえんだよ。
Well, that was a fun OVA. A really great way to round up this season. Oh, I love it. So, I don't have a lot to say because I genuinely enjoyed this OVA a lot. What I will say is I'm really hyped to see you in season 2 where we are getting into the sports festival is what I've heard. I'm hyped to get into this festival with you and see some amazing new characters with that and a bit more of the backstory of some of the main characters getting fleshed out. I would love to see that. So without further ado, I'll see you in season 2. Until then, like, share, subscribe, comment, tell me your favorite theories from this particular video, what you enjoyed about this reaction. Let me know so that I can keep creating more content. I can double down on things that you enjoy so that you have fun and enjoy my work. Until next time, bye bye. Toodaloo.